So there is theories why they are actually blue. There's three what I've found. One is because the Brahms, the priest case, considered blue colour auspicious, and they were mostly concerned near the fort. I don't know how blue's like that. Another one of them is heat, because as I found out today, it gets bloody hot here.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a good reflector of heat apparently. Down here, Pete.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, blue apparently reflects the heat really well. And the last one, what I've read, which I found to be a bit, just got to be careful on these steps, is termites. It repels the termites, the colour. We'll see. What do you think these blue houses are for? Heat, termites, or to not stand out because the fort's there? Yeah, down there.
See much more blue houses inside.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go?
That way. Got piles of dirt everywhere. Have a look at this one. This is old. Look at the door. Hello. Look at the door on that. It's fascinating. Surely nobody lives in that. Hello. Never know what you find. At least they're not running at us, I don't. Oh, there's two more there. You see the flow we're walking on, by the way. Ow. There's some little baby ones there. Hello. Dead end, Pete. Dead end. Hello. Looks great, doesn't it? I wonder if there was all blue at one time. What do you think?
Yeah, you see some of the building got left over.
There's a bit of blue paint left on them. Because it's weird to have just a few random blue ones, isn't it? I wonder if there was all blue.
See on that wall.
You can tell the newer ones, can't you?
Hello.
Where do you come from? Where do you come from?
Go on, try it. It's okay. Where do you come from?
I come from Jodhpur.
One thing that needs to be said about India, you will constantly get stopped by the people, the locals, asked where you're from, your name, what hotel you're staying at, everything. They're so friendly. They will want pictures, they will want to be on videos. They're so friendly. What I did before I came, we ordered some cards, didn't I, Pete?
Oh, yeah.
250 like business cards, you could say, with my YouTube channel on it and Facebook, Instagram, because you'll find in places like this, all they know is what's your name, where are you from, and what hotel and where you go. But that's what they know. So and you can ask back, what's your name, and they understand that. But that's the basic, really. So if you just gave them a card, I paid £20 off Vistaprint for 250 cards. So I would definitely recommend that if you come into India, just to hand them a card, because they all approach you with a handshake, don't they?
Oh yeah.
With a handshake.
Very
and
nice, smiling, always like say hello.
Yeah.